What's up everyone, welcome back to SainzFab and welcome back to another Q7 video. Now, if your Q7 is doing this, then like mine, you probably need a new boot latch. So in this video, we're going to fit one. Let's get into it. To get the big trim out, we need the side trims out. For the side trims to come out, we need this top one out. Now we're under here, you can see the most common problem that we have with the Q7, and that is the washer jet. The washer jet fails, it leaks water down onto the top of this electrical connection. And look, let me show you if I can show you in there. That connection is absolutely destroyed. Broken pins, all corroded, same in here. This is why they fail, and this is what we're gonna fix. With the cable disconnected, the latch comes out very easily with three 13mm bolts. And then done. Right. So now that we got the catches, there's a little changeover we need to do because this one has a very nice flush looking plastic shield on it, and the new one that we've supplied doesn't. Now, if you look down the side of here, I'll show you on the camera, there is a tag here. Can I zoom in? There we go. A tag there and a tag on the other side. You need to go in here, pull them outwards as you pull the thing out. How did I do this a second ago? Out like this. Crap. I had this a minute ago. Ah, look, there we go. Hit it this way. Go. See, having a belly comes in handy sometimes. Right, I'll slide that on the new one. And it'll clip in. Can you see those clips? Can you see those clips? Yeah, there you go. And then this is ready to go on the car. Doesn't feel like it's flipped. Ah, look, idiot. There's a little bit of plastic on there. Let's try again. Beautiful. Right. Oh, for God's sake. Right, plug in. Interesting. Let's give it a test. Tuck this cable out of the way because I don't want to catch it on the way down. Good. I got worried for a second there. I'm doing that again. I don't like this. What have I missed? Yeah. Yeah. One more. Nice. Let's put the trims back together. Nice. That's it for this one. Press all the buttons and do all the things like everyone tells you to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much. Cheers.